In this video, we'll show you how to change the front brake pads on your Dodge Charger. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Dodge Charger safely. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Turn the disc outwards. This will facilitate the following steps. Block the rotation of the guide pins with an 18mm wrench and unscrew the slide pins using a ratchet in a 13mm socket. Finish unscrewing by hand. Tip: attach a piece of electrical cable or hook to one of the strut spring coils. Remove the caliper by prying on it with a flathead screwdriver. You can now hang it to the previously installed hook. Remove the brake pads. To do this, slide them away from the disc. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the anti-rattle clips.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a wire brush, clean the caliper mount to remove any excess rust that could prevent the pads from sliding. You can order the pads kit used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Get hold of the anti-rattle clips supplied in the kit. Place the anti-rattle clips on the caliper mount. Grab the new pads. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount by sliding them in. Please note that the wear indicator springs must be positioned at the top of the pads. Grab the caliper. Place a used pad in the caliper. Then, using a clamp or a brake windback tool, press the pistons into the caliper. This step is essential before installing the caliper. As the pistons enter the caliper, brake fluid will flow back into the brake fluid reservoir. Depending on the original level of the reservoir, make sure that the liquid does not overflow. You need to check the sliding of the brake caliper slide pins and the condition of the caliper slide pin boots. If they look worn, you are advised to replace them with new ones. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the slide pins by hand at first. Block the rotation of the guide pins with an 18mm wrench and screw the slide pins back in using a ratchet in a 13mm socket. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Don't forget to remove the cable that you used to hold the caliper. Clean both sides of the disc with brake cleaner and a cloth to remove the grease from the new pads. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Don't forget to screw the brake fluid cap back on before starting the car. Attention! Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to push the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 30 miles or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation complete.